So before you get like all the way in, the sun is like right above us right now. So we'll probably, I'll have you come about maybe right here. Just see that?
Like over here?
Yep. And then let's just see how this looks. Oh yeah, perfect. So right now it's like a full body shot.
Okay.
Your top half is above water, and then I can still see your bottom half as well. Perfect, good. Beautiful. Get a little closer. And then come to wherever you can still stand comfortably, but I want you a little bit deeper. Yeah, let's try that. Good. So I know there's like a lot going on right here. This is the main camera right here, this big one. So I have you looking over there.
I'm just gonna go ahead and make it all wet.
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect. Yep. Beautiful. Get a little closer while your makeup is still fresh. Good. Okay, so you like your left side, right? So let's let's switch. So you come there, and then have your like left shoulder more to my camera, and then your chin over that shoulder.
So
like that, exactly. Yep. Good. Let's pivot some more this way. Yep, good. Beautiful, good.
yeah, it's definitely different.
Yeah.
It's cool.
It's harder to like balance too, or just one looking at the camera, and then let's get one like straight on. Beautiful. You want to take a look to see what we're doing?
Yeah.
I know it's kind of bright.
It's okay.
It's kind of hard to see.
Oh yeah, I can see though. Those are good. Those are pretty. Love that. Oh my gosh, so cool.
Yeah. So basically these poses, what you're doing right now, you can try to do the same exact things underwater. But it's gonna be a little bit different because you gotta do, there's a lot more to keep in mind. Like you wanna hold your breath, but also you wanna let out enough air where you can still sink.
Right.
Because otherwise, like people just naturally float. Like you wanna think of your lungs as just like two big like air balloons. So if you don't blow your air out, you're just gonna float.
Right.
But if you blow your air out, at least like I do about like half of my air out. That way you can kind of sink.
Okay.
So you can blow your air out before you go down, but also when you're down there, blow some like bubbles out too to help you go down there. If you really need to, then yeah, you can use your arms as well to do some of this. But don't do it too much, otherwise
it'll just look yeah. Okay, perfect.
And then I'll kind of mess up your hair as well.
Yeah.
If your hair does get on your face, but yeah, try not to touch your face too, because right now you still have like fresh makeup, right?
Yeah.
I know it's gonna be like a really natural thing to like wipe the water away, but just try not to touch your face, and instead just like do like this or something, or like, and if hair gets in front of your face too, like underwater, what you can do is like do like a hair flip, that'll move it away, or just like your upper torso, just kind of sway like side to side, and that'll move the hair.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. And then we'll start with those things. I know that's a lot to remember.
It's okay.
But I think after like a few dips, you'll be good.
Okay, perfect. All right. And do you typically like, do your clients like always keep their eyes open, or like what's...
Oh yeah, that's a great question. So this is chlorine water.
Right.
Do you have contacts in?
I do. I brought some solution, but we'll see.
You can start off with your eyes closed. Those are always pretty like still with your eyes closed, but maybe after a little bit, after you're more like accustomed to like getting yourself like underwater, then you can try opening it. People open their eyes underwater all the time.
Right.
I just need this so I can actually see what I'm like.
Right. It's such a nice day.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
I'm so glad. I thought it was gonna rain.
I thought so too.
All right, you ready?
I am.
We'll start like more in the shallow area just so you can like warm up a little bit.
Okay, yeah, that sounds good. So like more just like here, you think?
Yeah.
Are we using this as like
so
a backdrop kind of?
Yeah, but you can be like off the wall. So this is there'll be more like close-ups a little bit, so maybe like torso up.
Okay.
So you can focus a lot more on like your facial expressions, the hair. You can play with the top as well.
Okay.
But it's gonna be a lot more like torso
straight
up.
On. Okay,
yeah,
gotcha.
So for this one, don't worry about your legs too much.
Okay.
More in the face. So just remember, try not to touch the face. Blow enough air out so you can sink. And then on the way up as well, save yourself enough breath where you can come up nice and slow. And just based on where the sun is right now, have your chin up as like much as possible. Exactly, just like that.
Okay, got it.
Yep.
All right.
Beautiful. All right, ready?
Yep. Is that kind of like the vibe?
Kind of.
Okay.
So I could see that you were like floating a little bit, right?
Yes, I need to blow out more air.
Blow out more air.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, that was my problem.
Get down there. Blow bubbles.
Okay, cool.
And you'll get down there, no problem.
Perfect. All right. This is so funny.
You okay?
This is so interesting. Yeah, it's just like I'm like trying to figure out how to like sync without. I don't know. I'm still just trying to figure it out.
You can use your arms if you need to.
Okay.
Like do one of these.
I just don't want to be like unnatural.
How long? Like if you were just to do like dunk your head underwater like this.
I know my breath for like a good amount of time. I just felt like they're not like coming out the way that I want them to.
Okay. Use the first 5-7 seconds to get down there.
Okay.
I won't be really shooting. Like I'll shoot if I see something. You can hear the shutter, right?
Oh, okay.
You hear it. If I see something, then I'll shoot. But
Okay.
use your first 5 seconds or so to just get yourself in position. Don't
Got
worry
it.
about like looking weird or anything. After you're down there, then you can start deposing the hair, all that stuff.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, I have an idea that can help you.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, so basically all we do is do a squat.
Okay.
So from where you are there, just like that. And you can squat either like how you like normally do at the gym, or what you can do is you can let's get more shallow. Like wherever you can like go in your knees like this. Bend down so that your butt touches your heels.
Okay.
Like this, like.
Yeah, I could do that.
It should be a lot easier, right? You try to stay like as stationary as possible without like bobbing up and down. And you can do that by just blowing more air out.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Alright.
Do that. Yeah, that was much better.
Is it better? Yeah.
Much better, yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna add something to it. Okay. Same thing, you're gonna get down there, let's go a little bit deeper, just a little bit. Once you're in position, get down there and just like sway it, just like your head, just so that we can like get the hair flowing a little bit.
Okay.
What you can also do too is just kind of like hold it in the ponytail. Once you're down there, just let it go and just like do one of these, like let it fly.
Okay.
Yeah. Got it. Just bring the chin up a little bit. Yep. And then slowly on the way up.
Okay. Ready?
Yep. There you go. Yeah. Getting it.
That's better.
Yeah, much better. Much better.
I just have to kind of like find my piece.
Yeah.
Get down there.
Yeah. I know it's kind of scary. You're like, oh, you're down there, then you have all these things to worry about. You're running out of breath. You're like, oh, what do I do? But you can hold your breath much longer than you think you can.
Right, exactly.
Your body actually has a ton of oxygen. But yeah, look at these. Towards the end, once you're doing your
yeah, those are cool.
Really pretty, right?
Yeah, those are really pretty. Those are gorgeous. They're super cool. Love. Yeah, super cool. The white is like popping, and the red nails.
Perfect.
Yeah.
The white with your hair is perfect. In the blue water. Yeah. Cool. Let's try right here. Let's just sun it. Okay. I'm gonna be a little bit lower right here.
Okay.
Yep. Remember, chin up. You can close your eyes if you want to. You can open them. Try to play with the. Okay, so another thing too is you want to try to keep your hands, your arms, and your legs as close to yourself or like on the same plane as your torso as possible.
Okay.
So what I mean by that is like instead of posing with your arms like out towards me, like if I'm here, you don't want to have your arms out here. You want your arms here or like close to your body.
Okay.
So like on your body, your hair, your face. Same with your legs. Instead of having them out like this, have them more turned like this. Exactly.
Got it.
Yep.
Okay. Ready?
Yep. Okay?
Yeah, good.
How do you feel?
Good.
Yep. That was so good.
Yay.
Good job.
Thank you.